Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. The overall length is 78 by 65 and here there is a two circles, dia 40 and dia 20. Thickness is 8 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. So I will go with MMGS template. Select here extrude, select the right plane, create the two circles first, dia 20 and dia 40, give the dimensions, dia 40 and dia 20 mm. So next select the line, first create one line, give the dimension, length is 33 mm. So the height is here to here 3 mm. Next here give the vertical constraint, so now select line again, take 3 mm down, create sketch like this, give the dimension, so here to here 78 by 2, height is 8 mm. So create one center line, so do the mirror, it will save your time. Select these three lines, select the mirror entities, mirror about, center axis, apply. So now select the trim option here, trim the unwanted lines. So that's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, extrude up to here, we can give the mid plane, length we required 65 mm. Okay. Next we need one plane. For that select references plane, select the surface, offset we required 45 mm. Okay. So next select this plane, sketch, create the two circles, give the dimension, this one diameter 50, next diameter is 10.5 into 2, so it's a 21 mm. So finish sketch, extrude, select extrude, reverse the direction, here select up to next. Okay, so we can visibility hide. So next center there is a one cutout, that cutout dimension is select the right plane, sketch, select here rectangle first, give the dimensions. This is 10 mm. So here we can give the constraint also 5 mm. So here need to delete these constraints. Or give the dimension here to here. So delete this one. Now drag this down. Now we can give the dimension. Mm. Think this is 38. So finish sketch, extruded cut. So here select the symmetric mid plane, length is 65 is okay. So cutout is done. Next there is a sides cutout is there. For that select this surface, sketch, create one rectangle, give the dimensions. This dimension is 33 mm. From here to here 33 by 2. So next we can give the tangent constraint. First convert entities, select this circle, okay. Now give the tangent constraint, or we can give the diameter of the circle 50 mm. So just to delete this one, give the dimension. This is 50 mm. And from the center we can give the 25 mm, or we can give the vertical constraint. So next select the convert entities, select this circle and this circle. So okay, trim entities, trim these lines. I think we need to give dimension again. So from here to here, okay. So finish sketch, select the extruded cut. Here depth we want only 16 mm. Next here there is a one hole, select the circle, create one hole, give the dimension, diameter 6.5, and from the top dimension is 8 mm. So give the vertical constraint, finish sketch, select here extrude cut, So here we can select through hall. Okay. So next fillet is there. The fillet dimension is think 10 mm. Okay. Next there is a dia 10 holes. For that, so we can do with the two methods, with the hole wizard, or we can use sketch also. Select circle. Here just select this arc, you will get the point. So in this case we no need to give the dimension again. Dimension means only xy dimension. This diameter we need to give. So this we can give the equal constraint. So finish sketch. Select the extruded cut. Here select up to next. Okay. So press Ctrl 7 for the ISO view. So you can compare with the drawing. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below. I will definitely revert back to you. And now we can assign the material. Go to appearances. Select which material as per your requirements. Now I will go with metal, steel. In the steel, polished steel. Select here edit appearances and we can assign the color as per your requirements. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.